Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about what restricted advertiser is all about and what happens if you are being flagged with this issue. So let's move ahead to our Bybit and then profile to check whether you have been flagged with this issue. Already you'll be notified that you have become a restricted advertiser whenever you try to make an order right here. So you'll be flagged whenever you come here. I think it should be around here. So, and also you can check it right here. Just go back and then you move here where it says profile. Then you come to advertiser right here. Then you move where it says comparison of privilege right here. Then you notice here it shows highest your highest available benefit, meaning that I'm currently a general advertiser. So whenever it shows you right here, whenever it comes here and it shows your highest available benefit, that means you have become a restricted advertiser. And depending on your level, you may not be able to you know put up buy ads, and your number of sell ads will become one, and limit per ad will be 400. So those are the limits. But what should you do to avoid, or maybe you're already a restricted advertiser, how to move out from it and become your normal general advertiser or verified advertiser? So the thing you need to do is just continue making trade and make sure you get good feedbacks or remarks. So right here, let me click on it. Right here, you notice what they say, that your account has been flagged by the system risk control. So you can see this is only a temporary measure. So all you need to do is continue maintaining a good trading record and avoid any violation. So when I talk about good trading measures, is make sure your tradings are completed in time and you have a lesser release time and average time. Also, your review should also not be less than 70 or 80 if you want to be able to move out from the restricted advertiser. So that is all about restricted advertiser. In the next video, I'll be talking about security funds, how to withdraw your security funds, and what to do and what not to do regarding your security funds. So that's all in today's video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section.